Is Deepseek to blame as Bitcoin price slides? Bitcoin may not have a direct link to Deepseek or its AI offerings, but the hit to its price today is indirectly linked to the Chinese startup, nonetheless. That's because the crypto asset is yet to fully realize its potential as a store of value and trade more like gold. Instead, it's seen as a speculative asset still and likened more to the high-growth tech stocks. If anything, the correlation between Bitcoin and the tech-heavy Nasdaq has actually strengthened since late December. Therefore, as Deepseek announced a new AI model that it said was significantly cheaper yet just as powerful as ones from the more established names like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, investors started questioning if billions that US hyperscalers have committed to building artificial intelligence infrastructure makes sense in the first place. After all, Deepseek is clearly telling the market that it doesn't really take deep pockets to build powerful AI models. You don't really need the high-end, super expensive NVIDIA GPUs to run them. The outcome? A sharp sell-off in AI stocks that saw the Nasdaq Composite close about 7.0% down on Monday, and with it went the BTC that's struggling to reclaim the $100,000 level at writing.